I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. PC has Wallpaper Engine and Web UI enabled, and you have the mobile companion app installed. Next, sign in with the same account on both devices so they can pair securely. Once done, connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as the PC. If Wi-Fi is unavailable, use the remote PIN option to establish a secure link. This first chain of steps creates the control channel you'll use to push wallpapers to your phone. You now choose or import the wallpaper you want to use and verify mobile compatibility. Animated WebM and simple shaders work best. Then, make performance adjustments. Lower resolution, cap frame rate, and reduce particles to save battery and heat. Once configured, use the Web UI or the mobile app preview feature to test the appearance on a simulated phone. This avoids sending heavy assets repeatedly. After previewing, press Sync or Deploy to push the optimized package to your phone for installation. To finish, open the mobile app and apply the synced wallpaper, choosing Home, Lock, or both. Make sure the app runs as a background service and grant battery optimization exemptions so the animation persists. If you want Auto Start on boot, enable that in the app settings. If something goes wrong, first confirm both devices remain on the same network, check storage and app permissions, then resync the wallpaper. Reloading the Web UI or restarting the app usually fixes missing assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.